The biggest Bitcoin story has nothing to do with the price. It has everything to do with ownership. And what just happened will forever change the way you think about Bitcoin. Let me show you. The battle between Bitcoin and gold is now officially over. Not because Bitcoin is superior, but because America already made its choice. The crazy part, almost nobody noticed. For over 5,000 years, gold was the world's undisputed store of value. If you wanted to protect your wealth, you bought gold. That wasn't even a debate. Bitcoin didn't even exist, obviously. It started 17 years ago. Today, all that changes. For the first time in history, more Americans own Bitcoin than gold. Nearly 50 million Americans now own Bitcoin. Fewer than 29 million own gold. Let that sink in for a moment. We're not talking about market capitalization or price performance. We're talking strictly about ownership. Millions of people have quietly decided that if they're going to preserve their wealth for the future, they'd rather own digital scarcity than a shiny metal that's been around for literally thousands of years. That's not a close race anymore. That's not the America most people still think they're living in. That isn't just another bullish statistic. It's a cultural shift. Once public behavior changes, everything else eventually follows. Think about everything else that's happening beneath the surface. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have attracted another 930 million of inflows over the past 6 trading days. Long-term Bitcoin holders just reached another all-time high, meaning more Bitcoin than ever are sitting in the hands of investors with no intention of selling. At the same time, lawmakers in Washington continue moving towards clearer rules for the industry, bringing Bitcoin one step closer to full integration into the traditional financial system. Individually, each of these headlines ultra bullish. Together, they're telling a much bigger story. Bitcoin isn't winning because of hype anymore. It's winning because adoption keeps accelerating while the available supply keeps disappearing. That's why I believe so many people are still looking at the wrong scoreboard. They're watching the daily price, waiting for Bitcoin to hit another all-time high before deciding whether the bull market is back. Meanwhile, the foundation underneath the market keeps getting stronger. More people own Bitcoin, institutions keep buying Bitcoin, long-term holders refuse to sell Bitcoin, governments continue building Bitcoin reserves, nation-state game theory keeps accelerating, the infrastructure keeps improving, and regulatory clarity continues moving in the right direction. None of those trends are moving backwards. This is exactly what a monetary revolution looks like. Not all at once, then suddenly everyone realizes the world has quietly changed around them. I've said it for years that Bitcoin doesn't need everyone to buy it. It simply needs more people choosing Bitcoin over the alternatives, one decision at a time. Eventually, those individual decisions become impossible to ignore. That's what today's statistics represents. It's not just another survey, it's evidence. The Bitcoin has crossed an important psychological threshold here in the USA. The conversation is no longer whether Bitcoin belongs alongside traditional assets. For millions of Americans, that decision has already been made. This isn't the end of Bitcoin's adoption story. It's the beginning of a completely new era. Now let me show you why this isn't just another statistic. It's the beginning of something much bigger. This speaks volumes. Right in front of you, it shows more Americans own Bitcoin, 18.6%, than gold at 10.8%. Clearly, and this data is brought to you by River, so this is legit. I know a lot of people wouldn't expect that there would be roughly 50 million adults in the United States of America that own Bitcoin, but it's proven. Literally 18.6% of adults here in the USA, whereas gold, it's only 28.8 million adults. Also consider gold is a very common jewelry, is it not? I'm rocking a gold chain on my neck right now, but yet people are still more interested in Bitcoin. Now I want to ask the question, why do you think Americans are more interested in Bitcoin? And I'll give you my theory. First and foremost, it's superior in any way you can measure it. As far as a true store value asset, Bitcoin has the finite limited supply, whereas gold, they'll continue to mine more out of the earth, increasing the supply, which obviously reduces the price, which means the price mechanism can be controlled, in which it has been. There's a reason gold was stagnant for such a long time. It more recently started to take off, and it has corrected a lot back, losing a lot of its, price appreciation over the past year. But nonetheless, it was stagnant for like an entire decade. That's because the people that control the world can control the gold supply and how much they release each and every year. Gold has relative scarcity, Bitcoin has true scarcity, and that is a massive difference. Bitcoin is the only form of money and the only asset in the world with true finite scarcity. You can never print more. It's hard coded, 21 million, millions of coins lost forever. Now, outside of that, what's a better store of value in your opinion? Personally, I don't want to use gold as a store of value, knowing what they did in 1933 via the Gold Seizure Act, right? They made it law where gold was illegal and you had to turn in your gold. And if you didn't, you'd go to jail and have to pay hefty fines. What's to stop them from doing that again? Because anything physical can be seized from you. Bitcoin, unconfiscatable, unFWitable, and as Mike Tyson says, impregnable. I had to throw that in there. And there, it's borderless, permissionless. The transaction is the settlement. Best of luck trying to use gold in an emergency to purchase some food at your local grocery store. But nonetheless, Bitcoin's only going to continue to outpace gold, in my humble opinion. And the crazy part is the gold market cap is like, what I say, 26 or 27 trillion as of today, whereas Bitcoin is 1.3 trillion. So what has more upside potential? The clear winner is Bitcoin. That is why Americans are bullish on Bitcoin over gold, in my opinion. But let me know your thoughts, of course, in the comments.